Good morning. Good morning, class. Let's begin with the date. What day is today? What day is today? Please write in your English notebook. Today is... Very good. What's the weather like outside? What's the weather like outside? Please copy the weather in your English notebook. I feel happy. I feel happy. How do you feel today? Happy? Sad? Tired? Angry? Or hungry? How do you feel today? Please write in your English notebook. Okay, class, today you will complete a worksheet about bedroom furniture. Let's review. Bed, lamp, wardrobe, drawers, rug. Very good. Please complete the worksheet and the furniture quiz. Remember the prepositions. In, on, under, in front of, behind. Today we will concentrate on in, on, and under. Good luck. See you next time. Bye-bye.